Hello, and welcome to the Morning Flow, your water and wastewater industry brief. I'm bringing you the latest from across the nation. We've got some important updates this week, so let's dive right in. First up, a story of crucial infrastructure investment out of the Keystone State. Aqua Pennsylvania just wrapped up two major wastewater treatment projects in northeastern Pennsylvania, totaling nearly $17 million. The upgrades at the Laurel Lakes and Rivercrest plants enhance system efficiency with new treatment tanks, operational buildings, and critical emergency power generators. For the communities in Luzerne and Wyoming counties, this means improved service reliability, especially during heavy weather events. And here's the smart part. Aqua secured low-interest loans through Penvest, minimizing the financial impact on customers while getting this essential work done. Next, if you're tracking PFAS regulations and research, this one's important. North Carolina's DEQ just presented findings from its 2023 study, and the results are a wake-up call. The study confirms that PFAS contamination is widespread in wastewater influent, effluent, and biosolids across the state. A key finding for operators everywhere, PFAS was detected in 85% of biosolid samples. The data highlights a huge challenge, especially since there are currently no federal or state regulations for PFAS in biosolids. This is exactly the kind of research that will shape the regulations coming down the pike for all of us. And rounding things out, we have another story from Pennsylvania showing how utilities are getting ahead of that regulatory curve. In a separate initiative, Aqua Pennsylvania was awarded nearly $17 million in Penvest funding, this time specifically for PFAS treatment. This funding will support 5 dedicated PFAS treatment systems at 9 community well sites in the southeastern part of the state. It's a perfect example of a utility not waiting for the final rules to be written, but proactively securing the funds to meet federal requirements and protect their water supply right now. That's the brief for this edition of the Morning Flow. You can find links and more details for everything we covered in our show notes at waterandwastewater.com. If you found this useful, share it with a colleague. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you on the next one.